Hi, in front of me is Vivax X503 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap at the bottom right corner. Choose Settings, click I accept, and over here you can customize your wallpaper however you need to. When you're done, tap at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click Set Wallpaper at the top right corner, and over here decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!